Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here. Now, in my last video, we did some gaming. What we did was we played the very odd Grave Raver game, made by Robotical Halloween. And, well, it was definitely an adventure. um, Definitely a journey, definitely an experience that I'll never forget. Now, it seems that Robotical has made a sequel to the Grave Raver game. It's called Grave Raver 2. Very nice. We're going to be checking it out. We're going to be seeing what it's all about. And before we do that, I'm going to leave the download link in the description, just in case you guys want to download this for yourselves. And I'll also leave Robotical's channel links in the descriptions. Both channels, actually. I forgot to put the second channel in the description. Sorry. Forgot to do that. He does have two channels, Robotical Halloween 2. Make sure to subscribe to both of them. And I'll also leave his download tutorial for this game in the description. It's the same download tutorial from before. He'll explain everything, just in case, like, if you have any problems with the download or if the game isn't running properly, he'll explain everything for you. And, yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Ooh. I agree. Perfect intro. I'm gonna resize that window just so that it's kind of full screen there. Grave Raver 2 Electric Boogaloo. Alright. This is pretty good. This is actually some pretty good music, if you ask me. Yeah. Alright. Kind of vibing to it. Click here to game. Alright. Let's do some gaming again. You guys ready? I'm ready. Let's go. You are Grave Raver again. Use WASD to move. Oh yeah, don't you just hit it when a... This is a good song right here. I love it. Gotta put the bananas away, man. You gotta do that. Ooh. Oh! Yo, we got a gun now! Hey! You know, I think you should consider making this game rated M for mature, because this kind of has some violence here, if you ask me. Yo. Gun. Gun. Oh no, gun is pointless. Did I run out of ammo? No, I still got more ammo. Do we not have anything to shoot? Red kills you, by the way. Ooh! By the way, that was me. That wasn't the game. Let's go. Do a thing. Oh. Uh-oh. I died. No, I almost missed there. Do another thing. Now these levels are pretty hard if you ask me. They're kind of challenging. Good job, you win. The end, I think. Okay, did I actually win? What? What did you just... I didn't even get to read the whole thing. But... Oh, game win. Very nice. You're winner. Type toilet. Yo, Roblox Grave Raver. Roblox Grave. Oh my god, I can't talk. Roblox Grave Raver. Type toilet. Alright, I guess I gotta type toilet now. Oh no, not again. Grave Raver 2 Electric Boogaloo. Well, folks, I guess we reached the ending. That was... Well, I gotta say, very nice addition to the Grave Raver game series. Very, very nice addition. I'll say it's better than the original. Definitely a lot better than the original. Although I gotta say, the original was definitely an adventure, but this, oh man, this made me feel like a true gamer. Made me feel like a true gamer, especially when you brought out the gun. Oh man, that was a very gamer moment. Now, I gotta be honest, I really do hate it when your head flies through the sky and a plane flies into your head, or a plane flies into your face. You know, that really sucks if you ask me. I don't know what to say. This was really good. I loved Grave Raver 2 Electric Boogaloo. Very, very nice sequel. Great plot twist with the gun. Yeah, very, very good plot twist. Brought out the inner gamer. But, yeah, I'll leave the download link in the description, just in case you guys want to download this for yourselves. Yeah, I gotta say, I love the Roblox Grave Raver in there, too. I love that you threw that in there. Gaming. That's all I gotta say right now. Just gaming. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to Robotical Halloween, both his channels, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.